Good morning class. First class is in maths book and today we'll start chapter 6 time. What's the chapter's name? Time. T-I-M-E, time. So class, do you know what is time? Time is a process that we can do any work according to it. Okay? Whatever we have do, we will do according to the time. Just like in the morning, we are ready for the school, we are going to the office and we are taking our breakfast, okay, we are taking bath, okay, and in the noon time we are taking our lunch, okay, and also taking rest. In the evening time we are going for a walk, okay, we are playing in the park, and in the night time we are having our dinner and also enjoying the television and taking rest, okay, go for sleeping. So whatever we are doing, we will do according to the time. Yes or no? It's correct, na? Whatever we are doing according to the time. Okay. So now in this chapter, you will understand, you will learn about timing. Okay. So now you can see it's a clock and this tells the time. Clock tells us the time, na? So now the next thing is, now here this is chapter 6 time. So now in this chapter you will learn about time, okay, that whatever we do according to the time. So now here there is a daily routine, okay, daily routine of Sampada. Okay, here there is a girl, you can see here in this picture there is a girl whose name is Sampada, okay, and in these pictures, in this page, there is a description of Sampada's daily routine, Sampada's days, okay, that whatever she is doing from the morning till night. Okay, so now from the starting time, okay, at 6 o'clock she get up for school, okay, in the morning time she get up for school. Firstly she get up for school, okay, then she eats breakfast, okay, after reading she takes her breakfast and then read a story in school. Just like you, when you go to school, you also read a story, na? Yes or no? So just like you, she also reads a story. Okay, here in this picture you can see she reads a story. Next thing is eat lunch. When there is an interval time, lunch time, you have take your lunch. Yes or no? Around 1 o'clock or 12 or 1 o'clock around. So just like you, she also takes her lunch, okay, in the noon time. And then in the evening time she goes for playing with her friends, okay, you also go for playing now with your friends. So just like you, she also goes for playing with her friend. Next thing is in the evening time she does her homework, okay, she goes for study, okay, around 7 or 8 o'clock. And then in the night time around 9 o'clock she takes rest, okay, she goes for sleeping, go to bed. Okay, so these all are daily habit or daily routine of Sampada, okay, just like you, she also start with getting up and then end up with sleeping, okay, and in the mid time she does many work, okay, like eating breakfast, reading a story, eating lunch, playing, doing her homework, and then in the last she goes for sleeping. Okay, so understood about it? This is called daily routine, okay, and whatever we do according to the time. Okay, next thing is, now here in this page take the activities that you do in the morning time. Okay, here you can see there are 4 pictures, okay, 4 activities. You have to choose that activities that you will do in the morning time, okay. So here in the first picture the boy is taking bath, so you also take bath in the morning time, na? So you will choose it, okay, you will take mark it. And here in the fourth picture the girl is brushing her teeth, so you also brush your teeth in the morning time, yes, na? So you will also choose this picture, you will take mark it. Now second question is take the activities that you do in the evening time. Here again there are some pictures, you have to choose that picture, that activities that you do in the evening time. So here in the second picture the girls are playing, so now tell me, when do you go for play? In the evening time, na? So here you will choose this picture, okay, this playing time, you will choose it. And here in the third picture, the boy is going for marketing, okay, he goes to market. So you will also goes to market in the evening time to take vegetables or some household objects. So you have to choose this second and third figure. Now next is take the activities that you do in the day, okay. Here in this you have to choose that activities that you do in the daytime, okay. So here this third one, okay, the boy is going for school. So here you will take market, okay. The boy is going for some work, so you will choose it. And here in number third picture, the girl is taking her lunch, okay, so we will also take market. Clear? So you will take number second picture and number third picture. Now last one is take the activities that you do at night. Here there are some pictures and some activities. You have to choose that activities that you do in the night time. So here the number first, the boys are sleeping, yes or no? So you also go for sleep at the night time. So you will correct it. You will choose this, okay. And here in this the girl is sleeping. So we also take sleep in the night time. So you will choose it, okay. So you will choose number first and number third figures, okay, activities. So clear class, how to this question? Now next is, now number the activities in sequence. Here there are some activities, okay. You have to arrange them in sequence, that which work we do in the starting, then after what we'll do, and after then what we'll do, okay. So I already arrange it, okay, according to sequence, that firstly you will do this activity, okay, then after you will do this, and after then this is the third activity, after then this is the fourth activity, okay, after then this is the fifth activity, and now the lunch is ready, okay. So this is the last and sixth activity. So clear class, how to this question? You have to arrange these pictures, you have to arrange these activities in sequence, okay, in order. Now this is done. The last is, now next is take the activity that will take longer. Here there are some activities, okay. So you have to choose that activity which takes much time, okay, much more time. So now tell me which will take more time. The first one is and the second one is. Now tell me class, which one takes more time? Yes, very good. This second activity will take more time, okay. You can see according to the picture, the second activity will take more time. So you will choose this. Now in the second picture, now tell me, here the boy is going for somewhere, okay, I think he is going to school. So now tell me which activities takes more time, the first one and the second one. In the first one the boy is going by foot, and here in the second picture he is going by bicycle. So now tell me which activity takes more time, first one or second one? Yes, very good, the first one takes more time, okay. So you will choose it. So clear class, how to this question? In this chapter you have learned about timing, okay, according to the time, okay, according to the clock, according to the morning, afternoon and evening, okay, that we do any work according to the time, okay. So here this chapter is completed. Hope you all understood very well about all these things. So class, it's enough for the day. Thank you.